Want to speak real Vietnamese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at Vietnamesepod101.com.
Hello, it's me again. Xin chào các bạn. Mình là Linh, rất vui được gặp lại các bạn. Hôm nay mình sẽ nói về một chủ đề khá là khó, đó là ngữ pháp mà đa số là người nước ngoài ai cũng sẽ cảm thấy rất là khó đặt câu. Ngữ pháp Việt Nam thậm chí là đối với người Việt Nam còn khó nữa là đối với người nước ngoài. Tuy nhiên hôm nay chúng ta sẽ xem chúng ta học cái gì nhá. Sorry, I just spoke a lot of Vietnamese, but I hope that one day I can speak 100% in Vietnamese so you guys can catch up. But first, let's start about vocabularies, all small grammar points, and you guys can easily make sentences. And in the future, we will do some challenges or some things that we can speak 100% in Vietnamese. Okay. So today I'd like to talk about a grammar point, which is one word, but you can use at the present perfect in English. Okay, which is mới. Mới. The funny thing is mới in Vietnamese means new. This is an adjective, right? But you also can use for grammar points. So mới here you use for the present perfect in English, which is like I have just done something. So mới here will represent for the word just. The structure is you only have to use this word mới with a verb. For example, mới ăn, mới uống, mới học, etc. And now let's take a look at these sentences, okay? Tôi mới quay xong một video. I've just finished filming one video. Tôi mới quay xong một video. Tôi mới quay xong một video. Tôi mới mua điện thoại. I've just bought a new phone. Tôi mới mua điện thoại. Tôi mới mua điện thoại. So you will see here mới mua means I've just bought. Tôi mới mua điện thoại. Mẹ mới nấu cơm xong. Mẹ mới nấu cơm xong. Mẹ mới nấu cơm xong. Mẹ mới nấu cơm xong means mom has just finished cooking. Tôi mới chuyển vào Sài Gòn. Tôi mới chuyển vào Sài Gòn. So Sài Gòn here is the old name of Ho Chi Minh City. Tôi mới chuyển vào Sài Gòn means I have just moved to Ho Chi Minh City. Alright, so now let's take a look at the questions and the answers so to see how you can use it in a short conversation, okay? Bạn đã ăn gì chưa? Bạn đã ăn gì chưa? Bạn đã ăn gì chưa means have you eaten anything? So here you will see bạn is you. Đã here is did. So the word đã you put before the verbs to represent for the action in the past. Also, again, we don't have to conjugate the verb. Đã ăn gì chưa? So ăn gì actually here eat what. Okay, eat what, and chưa is yet. So literally means you did eat what yet. That means have you eaten anything yet? So the question word which is chưa yet we put in the end of the sentence. In the future you will see a lot of questions that begins with the pronouns and that ends with the question words like that. So this is like a basic question structure of Vietnamese. Bạn đã ăn gì chưa? Tôi mới ăn xong. Tôi mới ăn xong. Tôi mới ăn xong means I have just eaten. Tôi mới ăn xong. Or it means I ate already or I just eaten. Yeah. Now, conversation number 2. Anh đã xong việc chưa? Anh đã xong việc chưa means have you finished work yet? Anh đã xong việc chưa? So đã also the word for the past. Xong việc means have you done working? And chưa is yet, the question word. And how to answer? You can say xong rồi. Anh vừa mới gặp một khách hàng xong. Means I've done already. I've just met a client. Okay, so easy, right? Only one word with the verb mới and mới ăn, mới học, mới uống, mới ngủ dậy, mới làm, mới gọi, mới học xong, vừa mới xem video xong. So I hope that this video is helpful for you, and tell me if you need to study any grammar points, because Vietnamese grammar is very wide, and not sure what you really want to learn, or not sure if you really need to learn. So slowly I will deliver more grammar videos like this. Okay, also don't forget to like this video, subscribe the channel, and visit the website vietnamesepod101.com to learn more Vietnamese with us, me and maybe other hosts. Okay, thank you so much for watching the videos, and see you very soon.